In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get a PropW funded account. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up for an account. The link to sign up for a PropW account will be in the video description, or you can check out Telegram for that. And in case you don't know already, PropW is a crypto trading proof firm platform. So they fund crypto traders from as low as $2,000 to as high as $200,000 to trade crypto. So once you click on the link that I've provided, you want to go ahead and click on the sign up option right here. And once you click on the sign up option, you need to input your email. You can either sign up using your email, right? As you can see, you sign up using your email, or you can sign up using your phone number. So make sure that you type in your email around this area. The referral code is what gives you access to the bonuses that the PropW platform is offering. So if they are doing buy two, get two free, without this code, you won't be able to get it. If they are doing 50% off, without this code, you won't be able to get it. So whatever promo they are running is this code. That's why you need to use the link that I've provided in the description. So after you put in your email, go ahead and click on I have read and understand, or I have read and agree to the terms. So then you click on next. Just follow the on-screen instruction, and a code will be sent to the email that you have provided here. Just go to your email, get the code, input the code, and follow the on-screen instruction, and you sign up for an account. There is no KYC. So just sign up. Once you sign up for an account, you'll be prompted to download the PropW app. You can go to your App Store or your Play Store to download it. Just type PropW and you'll see their mobile application. So the next thing is to go to the mobile app and continue with getting the funded account. Let me just mention here that once you sign up, automatically a CoinW account is created for you. So whatever email and password that you use to sign up for the PropW, if you want to start using CoinW, you can use that same login details to log into your CoinW account. Okay, so once you log into your app, right here, you will see, let me show you right here, okay, where it says phase one. I'm already trading, so you go ahead and click on that option, and this is where it gives you standard and then the pro. So if you click on it, you'll see all of the details. If I go ahead and click on the pro option, if I'm going to get for the pro, is just the minimum you can get here is $10,000, right? And you can see the price. The pro is a bit expensive. So for the pro, any of these that you select, you do about 10% the first phase and then 0.1% the second phase, and you get funded immediately, right? So you get funded immediately. You can see the max and minimum drawdown too are equally lower than the standard. The one I got is a standard account, as you can see right here. I got a 50K. For the standard account, I got 50K. And this is what it will cost you to get that. And you see the difference here. Okay, the target profit for phase one and phase two is different from the pro. And you see the max drawdown and the minimum drawdown. You see those details. They are equally higher than that of the pro. And for each of these, the maximum leverage you can use is 5x leverage. So any of these, if you want to, let's say, get the 2K account, you go ahead and click on it, and 2K will cost about 29 bucks. And you go ahead and click on get started. Now, because of the ongoing promo right now, if you click on get started and you get 2 of this account, for instance, you are going to get additional 2 for free. So it means you get access to 4 challenges. If you fail the first one, there's no way you will trade 4 challenges that you are going to fail all of them at the same time, right? So if you fail the first one, you can, pass the second one, and you get 100% withdrawal when you are withdrawing your money. There's no 50% split or 60 or 90%. You get 100% of whatever profit you made. It means if you get $2,000 and you double that money before 31st of December, you are withdrawing everything. PropW is giving you all that back. All right. So once you come in here, you go ahead and start a new challenge. Click on the start a new challenge option. And you have these options here to pay. You can use a CoinW account. If you cannot pay with your card, you have the option to pay with your card right here, or pay with your CoinW account. So if you cannot pay with your card, as I said earlier, once you create a PropW account, you already have a CoinW account. So all you just need is to deposit crypto into your CoinW account, and you will see the balance showing up here. And once it shows up here, you can pay with your CoinW account, or you just go ahead and use your card to pay. So you just select the credit card option and you go ahead and click on next, and you are good to go. So if, for instance, I select the credit card option, I click on next, it will take you to where you input your credit card. Once you do that, the amount will be deducted successfully and you have access to your account. I already got an account, and if I go to the trade option, I think I have a trade that is currently running. As you can see, this is my account already, and my balance should be showing. Okay, let me go to the asset option. Yeah, so this is what I currently have. I currently have some drawdown, so the 50K account has reduced, so I currently have some drawdown. So this is what I have here, and this is what I've been managing. That's how you get an account with the PropW platform. Once again, if you want to pay with crypto, the login details that you created when creating a PropW account is what you use to access your CoinW account. You can just download the CoinW app and then log in to that CoinW account using the login details from your PropW. So if I go ahead and open up my CoinW account, I just need to log into this account using my PropW login details. And you can go ahead and just click on the deposit option, follow the on-screen instruction, copy the USDT address, send USDT here, and then you can now use that USDT to pay for this whenever you click on the get started option. That is how simple it is to get a funded account to start trading crypto using the PropW platform. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not, and I'll see you in the next video.